What is Zapier?
Zapier is an online platform that helps you automate tasks between your favorite web apps like Gmail, Google Sheets, Slack, and more. With Zapier, you can create custom workflows called Zaps that connect these apps and handle repetitive tasks automatically, all without any coding required. This saves you time and keeps your work running smoothly in the background.
How Zapier automation works?
A Zap consists of two main parts, a trigger and one or more actions. When something happens in one app, like receiving a new email, that's the trigger. Zapier then automatically performs an action, such as saving the email to a spreadsheet or sending you a notification. This chain is set up once and runs hands-free every time the trigger occurs.
Setting up your first Zap.
To get started, create a free Zapier account and log in. Click on Make a Zap to begin. Choose the app you want as your trigger, like Gmail, and select the event, for example, New Email. Connect your account, test the trigger, and confirm Zapier can see your chosen event. This is the foundation of your automated workflow.
Adding actions to your Zap.
Next, pick an action app, such as Google Sheets. Select the desired event, like Create Spreadsheet Row. Connect your account, then map the relevant information from your trigger, such as email subject and sender, to the spreadsheet columns. Test this step to make sure info transfers correctly. You can add more actions if needed, or keep it simple.
Activating and managing your Zap.
When you're happy with your setup, give your Zap a clear name and turn it on. From now on, every time your chosen trigger occurs, Zapier will run the automation automatically. You can manage all your Zaps from the dashboard, updating, turning off, or editing them as your needs change. Automation is now part of your daily routine.